Hello everyone. I just wanted to give you another quick video just to make sure everyone knew how to do this. Right now I'm in my Google Doc. All of you who posted your doc, and if you haven't posted it yet, I would like you to post it as soon as possible because I want to finish up this assignment for now. Okay, so when you're in your Google document and you go to share, it opens up a window. Now, it defaults to anyone can view. But what you really want to do is scroll down and go to anyone can edit. Maybe I wasn't as explicit as that when I did the last video. And then you can copy the link and then post it. Okay? So just so I can show you what it looks like, here is one of my colleagues' documents in grad school. So you can see there other people have posted comments here. And the way that you post a comment is you can either just comment randomly here or you highlight something and then you can start typing. And you can start typing, and when you highlight it, it shows this is what you're talking about. And then once you finish typing, you can post the comment. And I want everyone to be able to do that in each other's documents, and that way we can give each other feedback. I hope that makes things a little bit more simple.